Player 1, you won the beer frame.
The beer frame winner is Player 1.
Today's beer frame winner is Player 1.
The beer frame winner is player number 2. Player 2, you won the beer frame.
The beer frame winner is Player 2.
Today's beer frame winner is Player 2.
Player 3, you won the beer frame. The beer frame winner is player number 3.
The beer frame winner is Player 3.
Today's beer frame winner is Player 3.
Player 4, you won the beer frame. The beer frame winner is player number 4.
The beer frame winner is Player 4.
Today's beer frame winner is Player 4.
Get ready, it's the beer frame. It's the beer frame. It's time for the beer frame. Bowl again. One more shot.
Hey, one more shot.
Get ready to slide it.
Get ready to slide it. You're up. You're up.
Don't touch it.
Clean sweep.
I'm on a Tootsie Roll. Vegas, here we come.
I'm on a Tootsie Roll.
Wow, it's a 4-bagger.
Yeah! 4-bagger, baby. Oh, 4-bagger. 4-bagger.
Nice pickup.
Get ready. Last frame. It's the last frame. Get ready.
Stick to pinball. Stick to pinball. Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Please, stick to pinball.
Nice try.
Whatever.
What was that? You whizzed that one. The pins are over here. Oh, man. Oh, bummer.
Oh well.
Perfect puck. Perfect puck.
Perfect puck.
Nice pin action.
Nice pin action.
Nice pickup. You the man. Nice spare. You the man.
Nice spare. You're the man. You are the slide master.
Bet you can't do that again. Get it? Got it? Good. Give it up for the man. It's all good. Well, what do you know? A spare. You deserve a cookie. That makes all of them. Ooh, stuck it. Spare. Yes.
All right. Got 'em all. Spare. Yes. Yeah, baby.
Ooh, tough split. Double trouble. Ooh, tough split.
Ooh, tough split. Double trouble.
Oh, let's see you pick up this split. Oh, man. You should have got it. Oh, missed it.
Bowl again. Bowl again.
Excellent. Strike. Clean sweep. Strike. Excellent. Perfect puck. Strike. Drop dog 10.
Was that a crasher?
Yeah.
Man, that was a crasher. Booyah. Can I get a witness? Can't get much better than that. You're on fire. Strike. Yeah, baby. Rocking the cash bar. Boom, child. Let's see you beat that. Top that one.
Strike. Yeah, baby.
Go ahead and throw. Go ahead. Give it a shot.
What are you waiting for?
Throw now.
Looks like a turkey.
It's a turkey. It's a turkey. It's a turkey. The beer frame winner is player number 1.